Mabuhat na bigat, magandang araw, and good day. I'm Edsel Vintaha, and today I will show you my culture, my Ilocano culture. One of the traditional things in our household is a bilao. It might be common for other households to have bilao in their house, but in our culture, it's important to have bilao in your house because we use them to put food in. As you can see, I am not wearing any traditional Ilocano attire because I don't have any of that. But back in the days, we used to wear this. Then, when the Spanish people colonized us, we used to wear this. Now we have my mother. Now we're preparing the ingredients for our traditional cuisine. Our traditional cuisine is known as pinakbet. But what makes our cuisine unique is that we used to put bagoong on it, and then we also add meat. Now we all have our ingredients prepared.
Kaya mo may kagluto si Dayanan.
Now we have my brother-in-law to show us how to cook an authentic Ilocano pinakbet. Next. And now we're gonna let it simmer. Okay na.
Pamulinawin, pusok hindi ngaman, tuy umas-aso, agrayo ta sa tiyang, panunutin man, tingka pagintutungan, tuy agaya, ako ku'y tita sa tiyang, SM nga tiyak malipatan, kalasudyo na yanag, turay sa lintayan, lugar sa dinuman, hawakan di agsaltay, talagan mo kasampitan. Malagit ka, pusok di mabang-aran, adu asap sabong, narup